So today I'd like to share with you how to naturally rid your garden of cutworms. Now cutworms can be one of the most frustrating bugs in the garden. So they live just under the soil surface and they come out at night to feed on your plants. They can cut your plants off at the soil level in the night, and then in the morning you find dead plants and no bugs. So I've also seen the cutworms eating the lettuce leaves. So cutworms, they are the larval stage. The adult form is a brownish moth about 1 inch long. Now we really struggled with this pest until we went out at night with a flashlight and could see the cutworms eating the plants. They are very nocturnal. So here are my 4 favorite ways to naturally rid the garden of cutworms. One is hand pick them at night. So one of the most effective ways to get rid of cutworms is just to go out at night about an hour after it gets really dark and then pick them off the plants. So I like to feed them to the chickens in the morning, so be sure to put them in a container that has a lid on it so that they don't get away. And you're going to do this 2 times a week for about 3 weeks in a row, or until you don't see any new damage on the plants. Alright, number 2 is a cutworm collar. So you can create a collar out of cardboard or metal that goes around your plants 2 inches deep below the soil surface and 2 inches above the soil surface. And this will usually stop the cutworms from getting to the plants. Alright, number 3 is Sluggo Plus. This is an organic listed product that has iron phosphate and spinosad as the active ingredients. It's effective on cutworms, and it comes in pelleted form and is sprinkled around the garden. Now they have to eat it to become affected. So now before we get to number 4, if you'd like to learn the other ways to control garden pests naturally, you can get this in our Homemade Organic Pest Control eBook that you get for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. Now we give that away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetable Guide. And this is for anyone who will sponsor the High Performance Garden Show at the $8.25 level. So this is a super deal. To find that, go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Once you get to that page, just scroll down to find the sponsor section. Okay, number 4 is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. So we use Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew once a week once we start seeing the damage or find the worms at night. So we continue this until our 3rd hard frost. So it's very effective and will also control cabbage loopers, thrips, and slugs and snails. So if you just can't figure out what's eating your plants, go out at night with a flashlight and you can usually spot the culprit. Besides, the garden looks super cool at night and it's really fun to explore with a flashlight. So with just a few household ingredients and some diligence, you can keep your garden free from cutworms.